So here's the plan I'm actually going to be doing. There is my turntable. You can see the dotted lines right there. That's through 2 tunnels. The one on the inside here is going down. The one on the outside is going higher. The central section is, quote, the main line. And so then we have one that goes up into the mountains and whatnot, one that goes kind of through the mountain. This is One Industries lines. Those right there are another Industries lines. And then I decided from here up, I would put another industry in there. So based upon my track plan, there's certain key points that I could locate now, one of which is where this straight comes into the turnout or switch that's not there right now. It'll be off on the wood. And then I came around with the curve. I knew that this particular point needed to be about 3 to 4 inches from the edge. That this point needs to be about 15 feet from the edge and about 7 feet in. And then I need to go into the first of the tunnels here. The other key point that I could locate is this set of 2 switches. And those are 2 feet 3 inches from that edge. And what's called the frog or the turn point on this one right here is 6 feet in from the far wall over there. So those are the 2 points that I've located. And I have all of that track pinned down. Now all of this track here will be going up an incline. But right now I just have to get the trace of the track outside edge so I know where I can put my risers along the way. These are the risers. It starts out essentially flat and keeps rising as you go up, and they are very bendable. As you can see here, very bendable. So I can just bend them to the track shape, and by that point it's up about 1.5 inches. On those risers, of course the risers will bend with the track, but that gives you an idea of how it will rise as it goes toward this first tunnel, which will be up here. So today I got a great deal more of the track lines put down. You can see the red lines on both sides of the track. Here is where it goes from the 1/2 inch foam and down, so there'll be a riser or a lower, depending on how you want to look at it there. And then here's on the other side. And again, I'm just getting the lines transferred down because my risers will go straddle these lines, so they'll be in the right place. So there we go. All right, today I finished the mainline oval and the 2 sidings. Comes around here, keeps coming around here. And here's the other siding on the other side. That one goes all the way back and onto the line, unlike the other one on the other side. So anyway, that's that. Then I have also got this branch off. It's going to be going down as it goes that way. And the other day, I already got this branch that's actually going to be going up, 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 all this way. And so this right here will be going underneath this right here. There'll be a tunnel that starts about here on this one. This tunnel is going to be up about here probably. And the other thing I did was get the placement at least for the turntable and the line into that. I did a lot of cleaning up. I don't know if Joe remembers how much junk I had on this side over here. But I have to get all that off because I have to put train lines in there. And so there's hardly anything left compared to what there was. I've got this case for the N-gauge stuff I gotta sell. I have this case right here for the HO stuff I'm going to be using. Here's another case down here for tools. And then this case I got last night for real tools. This one right here is for train-oriented tools and stuff. Most of the afternoon getting wood done on the board, excuse me, the track done on the board. Here's the stuff I had to get out of the way. But then I got this whole area in here laid, even though I've moved some of it now. I got it all laid out. I had that laid out last night. But then I came down off of that, and all that is now pegged and marked. This comes right back into the main line. Then this is track coming from the other side getting lower. And this one right here is the one coming from the other side that went up higher. I've also laid out the rest of this on the foam to get all the way over here now on both lines.